This is the S1 model, and we are going to show the main layers that make up this iFace simulator. The first one that you can see is, of course, the real-life surface, which includes many of the components in a real face. Now, we are going to uncover the unit and show the inner layers of the face. When you pull it up, the second layer is revealed. That is, the superficial fat, which is thick and deeply yellow. The thickness in every part of the face imitates what happens in a human face. Under the second layer, you can see the muscular layer. Thus, you can identify the main muscles, like the frontal, corrugator, orbicularis, zygomaticus minor, zygomatic major, risorius, depressor anguli oris, mentalis, labial muscles. Notice that the shape and insertion of every muscle are very similar to what happens with real-life muscles. This simulator is very useful to practice and teach young doctors the uses of botulinum toxin, for instance. On this layer, you can see the main vessels on the right side of the iFace. These will be used when teaching how to use injectables on the face. There you will see the facial artery, which goes down and up the muscular layers and appears here as the angular artery. And then it goes up alongside the nose until it anastomoses with the inner arteries and the supratrochlear, and 1 centimeter apart there is the supraorbital artery. Here you can find the infraorbitary artery among the fat that you can see from the third layer. Also, if you follow the main arteries, you will find the superficial temporal artery divided in 2 branches, the frontal branch and the parietal one. Under the third layer, we are going to find the fourth one, which is quite relevant. We remove the cartilage nose and see the face deep fat. The main compartments are the subcentral and lateral, the deep medial fat pad surrounded by the zygomatic ligament that you can see right here, and the orbital ring that you can see right here also. So, in this way, it is very easy to show each one of the soft layers in the face. And finally, there is the bone layer, that is the 5th layer. So, from the first layer, epidermis and dermis, to the 5th one, bone, you can have all the layers in the face and teach very easily the anatomy resumed in this unit to students and doctors. As regards the nose, the consistency of the cartilage is very similar to the one in human beings. There are the alar cartilage, the muscular layer with the transversal nasalis, the lateral cartilage, and the central cartilage here in the spine area. So, if you want to practice, if you want to teach how to apply nose fillers, this simulator is a very good imitation of what happens in a real face. As a conclusion, from the surface to the bone, the iFace simulator imitates every layer in a real human face.